Hello children of grade 5. Welcome to your social science class. Okay, welcome to your social science class. This is your lesson 2, parallels and meridian. Before itself we saw the class, the reading session. Now it is our note activity session. What is that? Note activity session. Okay, allot one note separately for social science. This is your lesson 2. Okay, take a new page after lesson 1. Write lesson 2, parallels and meridian. Roman letter 1, give one word for. In your ruled note. Okay, ruled note. First point. Give first Roman letter is give one word for. What is that? Give one word for. Okay, first one is the point on the north where longitudes join is called as North Pole. Okay, second one, the full circles that run from east to west on the globe is parallels or lines of latitudes. Okay, full circles that run from north to south on the globe is called as meridians or lines of longitude. Okay, fourth one, an imaginary line drawn midway between North Pole and South Pole that divides Earth into two equal halves are called as equator. Okay, fifth one, the parallels or lines of latitude and meridians or lines of longitude form a network on the globe that is called as grid. Okay, they intersect to form a network, it's called as grid. With this, give one word for is completed. And second one is define. What is that? Define. First define is latitudes. What is meant by latitudes? Latitudes are the full circles on the globe that run from east to west. They are also called as parallels. They are also called as parallels. Okay. Second one is longitudes. Longitudes are the lines that run from north to south on the globe. They are also called as meridians. What is called as meridians. Okay. Third one is prime meridian. Meridians are the imaginary line that run on the north to south on the globe. The prime meridian through Greenwich is also called as Greenwich meridian. What is that? Greenwich meridian. Okay ma? With this we come to the end of the define, and third Roman letter is answer the following. What is the first one is what is a globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. It shows many places and countries. Okay, to find a place in the globe, we use a system of imaginary lines running from east to west and north to south. Okay, that's all. Okay, ma? Next, second question is what is northern hemisphere? The part of the earth from the equator to the north pole is the northern hemisphere. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere. What is southern hemisphere? The part of the earth from the equator to the south pole is called as southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere has also 90 parallels. Okay. Next, fourth question. What is a great circle? Equator is also known as the great circle. It is the imaginary line drawn midway between the north pole and the south pole that divides the earth into two equal halves or parts. Okay. Next, fifth question is how do we locate the places? The parallels or lines of latitude and meridians or lines of longitude form a network on the globe. It is called a grid. It is called a grid. The point at which the latitude and longitude meet helps us to locate places. எப்படி place locate பண்ணுவீங்க? This you will be learning detailedly in your higher classes. Okay. Next, with this we come to the end of the answer the following session, and the next topic is answer briefly. Okay, write about lines of longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary lines running from north to south on the globe. All meridians are of same length. They cut the parallels at right angles 90 degree. Okay. Fourth point is the maximum distance between two meridians is at the equator. Okay, second question. It's a big question also. What is a grid and how does it helps to find the position of the place? Okay, a grid is a network which is formed on the globe by the parallels and meridians running from east to west, north to south. Okay, the point at which the latitude and longitude meet help us to locate place. In order to find the position of a place, we must know the values of latitudes as well as longitudes. Okay, ma? Next, third question is, why is the equator the most important of all latitudes? Why is equator is most important of all latitudes? Equator is the most important of all the latitudes. Okay, because it is the longest line of latitude that divides the earth into two equal parts. Okay, it is also called as great circle. Equator is also called as great circle. Okay, ma? Next, it is marked at 0 degree and the other parallels are marked from 0 to 90 degree. Which is marked at 0 degree? Equator is marked as 90 degree. Fifth one, draw the diagram of important parallels of latitude. Okay, see, this is a circle. Okay, top one is 90 degree north pole, 90 degree south pole, center is the equator. Okay, and then north pole Arctic circle, south pole Antarctic circle with a degree of 66.5 south and 66.5 north Arctic circle. Tropic of Capricorn lies at the north of equator. Tropic of Cancer lies at the north of equator with the 23.5 north. Okay, and Tropic of Capricorn lies in the south of equator with 23.5 south. Draw this neatly and you can color it as given in the book. See the book and color it neatly. With this, your note activity session ends. Be ready for your monthly test. Okay, ma? Prepare it well. Copy all these in your note very neatly. This will be given you with two activity sessions, note activity 1 and note activity 2. But you must copy it very continuously, and next class I will be giving you worksheet also. Okay, thank you. Meet you in the next class.